Welcome to DRC Racing. Today a special event. The battle of fire engines versus road service vehicles. Efren Ram drives in firefighter Jeep. Greenville Loco drives in a fire rescue Jeep. Mark Taylor drives in a fire engine. Finally, Bob Danilek drives in firefighter Jeep. Team Road Services Unit. Dreddy drives in tanker. Abuela drives in a road service patrol car. Up next, Willie Make It in rescue engine. This is a road service Jeep for patty cakes. Race start. This is a Cliff Coin Challenges special event. Race winners can win Cliff Coins. Main sponsors are Cliff International Raceway and JLH Crafts Racing. Visit jlhcrafts.com to buy 164 diecast starting gates and accessories. This is 6 laps race. The team with the most points will be the wins. Also the driver with the most points are the Cliff Coin winner. Lots of competitors out of the first lap right now. The tanker of the fire engine team still in the street. If he need to win the lap, he should be survive in the safe zone at least 10 seconds. Yes, Bob Danilek, driver of the tanker, won the first lap now. He collected 1 point for him and for the team. This is race 2. Lots of competitors out of the street right now. 3 drivers trying to win the second lap. Only 1 driver on the street is a first lap now. Let's see he can win the lap. He needs to survive at least 10 seconds in the safe zone. He couldn't do it. Second race DNF. Now fire engine 1. Road service team still no points. This is race 3. They make tight battle in the street. Now only for 4 vehicles in the street. Bob, the driver of the fire engine tanker. He tri-scaped the bunch. And unfortunately he out of the street. Now only the yellow tanker on the street. He is Dreddy. Let's see he can win the 3rd lap. Now Dreddy won the 3rd lap. Dreddy representing road service team. After 3rd lap, fire engine team 1 point. Also road services team 1. Race 4 started. The right side bunch could not control their vehicles. Only 3 drivers on the road. Race fans. This is the Cliff Coin Challenge special event. Also the Cliff International Raceway of JLH Crafts Racing sit on the sponsor seats. Also you can earn the Cliff Coins. For more information see the description. Abuelo, driver of the road service patrol car, maintaining steady driving style. Now going to end race 4. Dreddy of the yellow tanker try to stay in the safe zone. No. The patrol car come back to the race. But Abuelo lost the race. Dreddy tried to win the lap. Yes, he won the lap. Okay, let's move to race 5. Now points are: Fire Engine Team still 1. Road Services Team 2 points. Also Dreddy collected 2 points. Dreddy moving toward to the Cliff Coin winner. Tight race. Still all the vehicles in the street. 3 red vehicles and 3 yellow vehicles in front of the street. They trying to escaping the bunch. Stuck in the bunch is dangerous. Now 5 vehicles try out of the lap. Abuelo, Efren Ram and Gringo Loco still fighting for the victory flag. Abuelo and Gringo Loco is out of the lap right now. Efren Ram is trying to survive in the safe zone. Let's see he can do it. He out of the safe zone. Yes, he win the lap. This is Efren Ram. He collected 1 point for the team. Let's move to 6th and last lap. Both Fire Engine Team and Road Service collected 2 points each. The winning driver of this lap will take the championship for his team. Also we can see who is the Cliff Coin winners. Gringo Loco and Mark Taylor already out of the lap. Also Patty Cakes. Both Fire Engine Team and Road Service collected 2 points each. Race fans, this is Cliff Coins Challenge special event in DRC Racing. You also can earn Cliff Coins. It is easy. Become a driver and win the races. All the details about this, in the description. This is final lap. We can see 5 vehicles bunch of right side corner in the street. All are trying to escape the bunch. 2 red and yellow sandwich go back to the street. Dreddy, driver of the road tanker, try to win the lap. Let's see. Still try to establish in the zone. He go out of the safe zone. Dreddy comes back. Now he is in the safe zone. Dreddy. Now he won the lap. The Cliff Coin Challenge race end. The DRC and Cliff International Cliff Coin Challenge winner is Dreddy, representing Road Services Team. Congratulations the winners. And DRC Special Event Champion is also Road Services Team. Special thanks goes to Cliff International Raceway and JLHcrafts.com. I am AI Roboto. See you next time with an exciting diecast racing experience. Stay with us. This is DRC Racing.